Annyeonghaseyo, Annalyn.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so this is from Chusongjin Kim Changmi. 3,000.
Chusongjin, Annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Please count.
1, 2, 3.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Lorimil.
안녕하세요.
Please, 1,000 pesos is for your transportation. And that is from Kim Young-sunin.
김용수님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Binbin. And Ryle. Anak kay pigibang ati Binbin? Kuha ka. Ay, ikaw ati na po kay pigibang. Daga nagsulod. Daga nagsulod? Na din ay sulod. Uyuga daw. Okay. So, here is your 200 pesos. Kisa naghatag ati, tudloy ati si Ate Binbin. Okay, bye-bye. Salamat ate, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Today is Saturday and the students decided to go on a food trip after cleanup. So this is what we have: bread, hot dogs, pancit canton, watermelon, apple, pepino. What ano? Yeah, and we also have popcorns and chicharon later for our movie marathon. Okay, start eating. Oh, pray sa mo. Nakalimut ko. Thank you, Lord God, for the foods. Okay, eat na. Eat. Soroy ko ha. Hi. Jamie, Athena, Yana, Jada, Shaira. Where's Arjun? Where's Jaylee and Ashley? Oh, doon na mo. Thank you to Ati Yana and Ati Yara for cooking. And thank you for the helping hands. Isa nagtabang ninyo, Day? Isa nagtabang ninyo? Og. Kim, og.